Hello, Brian Holland, Koenig Equipment. Want to talk to you about winterizing your mowing equipment. It's fall and you're done with the last mowing and it's time to put the mower away. What we want to stress is that you don't just stick it in the shed and forget it. There are some things that you really need to do to protect your investment. We've all heard of ethanol, and there are problems associated with ethanol and gasoline if you're storing a vehicle over a length of time. What we recommend is a stabilizer in the fuel, and this takes an ounce per couple of gallon. You would want to add it to your fuel system and then run the machine to make sure that the additive is completely through the entire system and in the carburetor. You will also want to then top off your fuel tank to eliminate any air, or I should say maybe reduce the amount of air pocket inside the tank so as to reduce condensation. You don't want that moisture in the fuel either. We want to also treat our diesel fuel. This is a winter additive. This reduces gelling to keep the diesel fuel flowing and allowing you easy starts and trouble-free operation. We also recommend that you take care of your battery. You'll want to clean the battery, clean the terminals, remove it if you're going to store it in a below freezing situation. Take it inside into a garage or into a basement. If you are able to have power enough to run a maintainer, you could leave the battery in, but we recommend that you use these low amperage maintainers to keep the voltage all the way up. If a battery is fully charged, it is protected from freezing. The problem with shortening the life of the battery is, or what's typically, I should say, causes a shortened life battery is that they are low on voltage, and in an extremely low temperature does damage the battery, shortens its life. John Deere provides an option for that charger, as well as NOCO. Now this one is a jump starter, but we also have battery maintainers as well. And we sell these online or at our dealerships. So you ask, why should I keep my battery clean? Well, it is a lesser known fact that a dirty battery can create a discharge by the dirt in the battery drawing down amperage. So what you can actually do with an amp meter is test the one probe on your negative contact and the other in the dirt and get an actual reading. This is discharging your battery, and that's why it's very important to keep it clean. I'll show you. Come with me into the shop. Okay, we're out here in the shop, and I've grabbed a meter so that I can demonstrate to you a battery with 12.8 volts. And then I'm going to remove the positive probe and put it in the dirt. And you will see that we're still reading voltage. The dirt in the battery is draining this battery little by little over time. That's why it's so important to make sure your battery is clean before you, well, clean all the time actually. We're going to step back in and finish up our video by showing you the home maintenance kit. In addition to fuel, battery, we also recommend you completely service the machine, and we make it simple with this home maintenance kit. Has everything you need to change the oil, air, fuel, spark plug. Fuel filter can be replaced by simply removing clamps and installing a new fuel filter. Make sure you note there is an arrow for fuel flow direction. You want the arrow pointing at the carburetor. Once you've installed all of the components of your home maintenance kit, you'll want to make sure that you remove any excess of grass, and you want to make sure that your machine is clean. Leaving grass on top of the deck can shorten the life of the deck shell itself, can damage belts. So it's very important to get everything clean. If all of this sounds like maybe it's not something you would have time to do, take advantage of our off-season service program where you contact your local Koenig equipment dealer. And from September through February, you'll receive discounts on parts and labor. We also provide pickup and delivery. Thank you so much for watching. All these products can be found in the description below of this video. And if you are interested in doing it yourself, all these products can also be purchased at your local Koenig equipment dealership. If you're interested in utilizing our service department, we have both drop-off and pickup and delivery. Utilize our discounts in the off-season and get your mower serviced before winter.